Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to stay a true want or become a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you are in. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button. And when you press it, and I recommend that you do, what ends up happening, it's called the notification bell, is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of what the video is all about. And because I upload a lot, and sometimes it's about deals or things that are time sensitive, this way you'll be able to know right away if it's something you want to watch right away, or it is something that you'll save for later. But if you choose to watch it, in your inbox, if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. Like I said, it's something I use and I enjoy, and I hope that you'll do it as well. All right, today we received the box in the mail for the Ipsy Plus. I've already received the Ultimate. I received that on the 4th of April. So if you haven't watched that video, I recommend that you do. It was a fantastic, fantastic box, and I've been using a lot of the products, and I have not had one dud yet. Really happy about that. But today's box was really tiny, and this is the size that we got, and I've never seen a box this small from the Ipsy Plus, so I was excited to see what was inside. I also, on my channel, on the 2nd of every month is usually the Ipsy Day. This month it was earlier, it was on the 30th. I get to see what's going to be inside the box, but we get so many sneak peeks and confirmations, as well as already we're working on, choices and sneaks for next month. You start not remembering, and then when you open up the box, you're like, oh yeah, that's right, that's what I was getting. So if you always want to know what I'm getting prior to and all the add-ons and stuff, always join me on the 2nd of every month. I usually try my best to get a video up and sharing with you what I get in all 3 boxes, because I do get all 3 boxes on this channel. This one is about the Plus, and this is the $25 a month box. A lot of people compare this to the BoxyCharm base box. I think Ipsy and BoxyCharm are 2 completely different companies. I find that BoxyCharm seems to be getting a lot of brands that are very exciting. A lot of them were on our wants list, and now we get them in the boxes, which I think is great. I find what Ipsy does a little bit differently is they get a lot of the brands too, but they seem to introduce us more to brands that maybe aren't always or are newly available in the United States. So I get really excited with Ipsy. All right. So every Ipsy box or bag comes with a bag. That's something that they do unique to all the other boxes. This month, the beautiful design and fabric that's on these bags, I'm enjoying so much. In the Ultimate, I got a huge train case. In the Plus, you get, it's a downsize from that, and then you get a smaller bag in the Glam bag, which is the $12 a month bag. But this month, they did it all in the exact same material, so I think it's really great. It's just the design that's different. They all came with this cute little ring. I haven't seen the one that's going to be in the $12 bag yet because I haven't received it, but these that are this type of shape are some of my favorites. I love train cases, but this is the one that I seem to always use the most when it's this half moon, because it opens so wide. So I like to put my items in here, and then when I'm doing my makeup, when I'm traveling, or even in my purse, if I put some lipsticks or things like that, it's so easy to access and to see everything that's inside. So these half moons, or any one that opens really wide like this, those are my favorites. So there's no zippers or anything inside, but it is fully lined, and you do have your Ipsy logo that they put in all their bags. So really happy to get this, and it's a really nice mint green, which is, knowing that spring is around the corner, it just makes everything just a little bit better. Okay, so I did get the card, and it did have the products inside. If you saw my Ultimate, I had to print mine out. I got a card that looked like this, but when you opened it, it didn't have any information inside except about some rosehip oil. It was really something strange. So I was able to print all the information and do that for you, but it's easier when it's in the card in the box. I do open up the box prior to take a picture for Instagram, because when I sit down to be with you guys, I like to swatch and do stuff, so I want everything to look pristine for the Instagram, and then we get to play on YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to go by the card with all the information. It's also going to give us the manufacturer's suggested retail, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, here we go. All right, the first item, and I'm going to go in the order of the card. The first item that is in here is from this company, which is from Holland. It's, like I said, they introduce us to brands from all over the world. This is called the Dutch Dirt Mask. It was really intriguing when I saw this in the spoilers for myself. They're saying it is a secret to a fresh, dewy face. They're saying it's dirt. It says, well, not just any dirt. It's a botanical and enzyme in this mask. This Dutch Dirt Tulip Complex are straight magic for your skin. If you wear it for 20 minutes, it will help to reset and refresh and rebalance your skin and make your large pores a thing of the past. They say if you're short on time, you can massage a small amount of this mask onto your damp skin for 30 seconds for a quick yet totally effective exfoliation. And they're saying this product on its own is $49, and everything in this box is full size. It does come with a safety seal. I don't know about you guys, but the boxes now are such they were exciting to get before, but it's such a little uplift in the middle of a day with all of us, you know, being home more. It's a nice little pick me up. Okay, a lot of water came out of this, so it was like dirty. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this up one more time, and I'm going to shake it to try to get it all together. See if it comes out, because it should be, if it's a mask, it should come out something a little bit thicker. So let's see what we got now. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so if you get this, make sure to shake it first, otherwise you're going to get a lot of just liquid that comes out that looks dirty. So it is that dark muddy color, but some of my favorite masks are mud masks, but this one has an exfoliation with inside of it. Very similar. I just used this the other night to the La Vida one, where it also acted like a mask, but this one's a lot darker, but it had that exfoliation inside. So really, really nice, very finely milled, really pretty. So excited to get that. All right, and there is no real scent to it, so that's a good thing too. Years ago, there was a product, and I can't remember, but it was, and I think also Peter Thomas Roth has also like a mud mask like this that he also goes to Ireland to get it out of a certain area, and it has all these nutrients inside. So I think this is something that's very similar to that. So excited to get that. All right, the next item that's on the card is from Tarte, and it is their Tartiest double take eyeliner. I had this, I used this all the way to the end. I really did enjoy this. Tarte makes a really great liquid eyeliner, but what's great about this, it's dual-ended. So one side is going to be the pencil, and the other side is going to be the liquid liner. So this is what this looks like here. I'm going to just do, see how nice that is? And it glides on so nicely. So you can also use this on your inner rim, and it won't tug or pull. And then this is the liquid liner. And what's nice about this, it is a flexible tip, but not too flexible. So it's really nice, and you can get a pretty great straight line, which is unbelievable. So that's the crayon, and that's the liquid liner. So let's see what they wrote on the card about this. And this on its own also is a $24 value. And like I said, the whole box is only $25, so it's great. All right, it says, it starts off with TBH, and TBH, I think, stands for to be honest. We'd love just one Tarte liner, but you are going to get two. The team at Ipsy is fully obsessed with this dual-ended gel and liquid liner. Use the pencil tip along your waterline to define your eyes, or flip it to the liquid liner sign to create a crisp line, and you can use it for your cat eyes. And then it says, cat eye newbie, create your best line using the liquid liner first, and then if it gets bumpy, you can glide the thin pencil right up the top, then smudge it out with the brush to create a cool, smoky effect. That's a good idea. I've never done that. I will definitely give that a try. So that's what's that there. The next item in here was my pick. And whenever there's a Sunday Riley that's an opportunity to get it in a box, I always grab it. And this one was one that I'm not even familiar with. It says it's for oily to blemish-prone skin. It's saying it is called the Martian and is a mattifying melting gel toner. And like I said, it's from Sunday Riley and it's 1.7 ounces. So this wasn't an expensive item from Sunday Riley. So this was a $25 product. And for Sunday Riley, that's a really great price. So it says here, it's perfect for all skin types and heaven for oilier complexions. This soothing gel to water formula contains a clay and a green tea with marshmallow extract to chill out redness, reduce excess oil, and tighten pores. The slight cooling effect is so refreshing. The tip on this is if you got plans after a workout, stash this toner in your gym bag to calm your skin back to healthy glow before applying your makeup. So let's see. I love these type of containers. So let's see what we have here. And it comes out in that Martian green color. What a cool name, Martian. But it's a lot that comes out. So one little pump of this will not only do your face, it'll do your neck and your whole upper décolleté area too. And just a fresh, clean scent. Really, really pretty, but this is like a lot. So let's take this off. Really, really nice. And just a fresh scent. Okay, all right. And then the next item, I was so excited. If you are part of my channel, you'll know that they must have done a duplicate product for me. It was the only thing that I can come up with, and a couple of you guys wrote me in your comments that you thought that's what it was also. All of a sudden, I got a package from Ipsy with just a dose of color product in it, exactly like this, just a lighter color, one that for me is like so perfect. So I love the one that I got. I think it was called Let's Cuddle, and I absolutely love it. This one was where I was hesitant. There was a dose of colors in Campfire was an option that I had to choose, or this Sunday Riley. And I really sat on that page for a good 5 minutes saying, oh, what do I choose? So I'm happy that I got a dose of colors, another one in the box today, but I was hoping it would be the Campfire, but it looks like it's going to be a good color too. It's called Brick. And initially I got a little nervous that it was going to be Brick because I thought it was going to be one of those deep colors. And I don't mind getting one or two in, you know, but during the winter season, we get so many dark colors. So I was hoping during the spring that the colors would lighten up because I prefer the lighter colors, but I like having these because it's taking me a little bit out of my comfort zone. So this one here is an $18 value. And I'm really impressed with Dose of Colors, from their eyeshadows to their matte lips, which I'm not a matte lip girl, and I like the Dose of Colors ones, but I do love their glosses even more. And this one is a liquid matte lipstick. Like I said, it's in the color Brick. And it says it's a bold lip enthusiast rejoice. This brick red shade will be love at first swipe. It is a velvety smooth formula. It applies like a cream, but then dries to a matte finish, and it feels like second skin all day long. They're saying this shade stuns alone and it plays well with other colors. So to customize your hue, you can try using a lip liner to fill in your lips before layering this liquid lip on top. But that's with any, you know, that's all right. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be a deep shade, but let's see when we put it on. Yeah, it's a darker shade. The Campfire one had a lot more like corally pumpkin type of color, which is what I like, but it looks darker than it does in the container. So I will definitely be doing that. And then probably what I end up doing is I put a lighter gloss on top that helps tone it down a little bit. So not so happy about this color, but we will play and we'll see. But usually I say that and then I'll find a top that matches this perfectly, and then I'm happy I have it in my arsenal. All right, the next item, I'm just going to take this off too quickly because if not, I end up with these scrubbing after the videos for so long, just trying to get all these long-lasting makeup off. So there is a little bit of redness still, but it's better than waiting. Okay, the next item that's in here is our last item, and this is from the Shana B Miami Mini Miami Eyeshadow Palette. And they're saying the value on this is $20. And it comes in this cute package. This is what it looks like here. It's one of those sleeves. Really pretty. And Shana B is a new brand to Ipsy that I received some brushes that I haven't had the opportunity to use yet. They were eyeshadow brushes. So I think what I'll do is I'll try them with this palette. And this palette, it says, consider these 8 shades your spring shadow essentials. To balance off neutrals and bright colors, it means you can play it safe or go out, all depending on your mood. And even though there are powders, they will feel like creams. They are smooth, blendable, and buttery soft. The tip is for a sheer diffuse wash of color. Use a fluffy shadow brush to sweep these shadows over your lids. But that's, you guys, the fluffier brushes, the denser, same thing. Denser puts more color on. That's why the pencil brushes you use to pack in on the sides and things like that. So, like I said, this is called Shana B. It has a cute little mirror about that size, between these two areas here, like a rectangle there. It's not the full size. And that's what the product looks like here. There is a safety shield on here that has, it's stuck on with Scotch tape. So let me just take that off and give you guys a better look. That's what it looks like here. All right, so let's do some swatches and we'll see what it is here. Mine has a little bit of a dent in there. I didn't do that, but that's how it came. And let's see what we go here. So it looks like the bottom row are all matte and the top row look like shimmers. And so it's one says Hall Over, Port au Princess, Everglades, and Heat. They look really pretty. And like they said, they do feel soft. Oh, they're gorgeous. Wow, look at that. I did not expect that. Really, really pretty. All right, that's the top 4. Let me just wipe off. I always bring a facial wipe out here and I bring a bunch of extra ones just in case. And then I have a dry towel right beside it. All right, then the bottom 4 are called Bisquick Cane, Winewood, South Peach, very cute, and Cafecito, very unique names. All right, and those are the colors there, and I'll do them right above. Yeah, even the brown came out beautiful. Look at that. I am excited. And you know, when I initially saw this on the pictures, I was like, okay, it's a neutral palette, but now I am so intrigued. That's what I'm saying. It's like they almost know us better than we know ourselves. We seem to get like so disappointed if something is the wrong color or not what we initially thought we would want. And then the next thing you know, you play with it and they become your new favorite. So that's why I enjoy so much getting the boxes. So that's everything for today that we got in our box. So we got a toner, a Sunday Riley, we got the eyeshadow palette, we got a liquid and a dual-ended pencil, a liquid and a gel pencil. We also received the mud mask and a dose of colors, all for $25. So now you know why I love my boxes so much, and I know you guys too. That's why you join me here. So once again, thank you so much for spending some of your day with me. I hope everybody stays safe and well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.